What's up everyone, it's Eric from Option Edge, and today's video I want to show you a interesting opportunity. Maybe some of you will not think it's that interesting, but I think it is. And the opportunity is in Marathon Digital Holdings. They're a Bitcoining mining company, and the reason why this appeals to me is I saw some chatter on Twitter talking about selling some cash secured puts in this name. And the reason why this is coming up is, if you look over here, the volatility, the implied volatility for this name is like 16 times or maybe 10 times more than, let's check out SPY. It's not 10x, it's about 8x the volatility. So that's nice when you want to sell premium. So let's go back to Mara. You know, you can get today the 5 put spread was selling for 5 cents. So you could sell the 5 strike put spread. And this thing, if you look, you have a 95% chance of being profitable on this trade. It would take almost a 2 standard deviation move in the market. And look at, this is the March 10th expiry, so this expires in 3 days. Let's count today as a trading day. So in 4 days, you could get a 1% return on your money. So if you do the calculation, so first off, 5 divided by 500 is going to be 1%. So we're getting a 1% return, 365 days. If you want to divide that, how many 4s are there within that? That's 91. 91 times 1. You're getting annualized like a 91% return if you were to sell these puts basically like every day. So that's not a bad return. I mean, you're putting up a little bit of money. It's only you're putting up $500 to make $5. So that might seem a little ridiculous, but when you do the math and realize that if you were to sell this thing every week and maybe a couple of them, you could actually build up a pretty good return on investment. It would require a 2 standard deviation move, and if it's a cash secured put, you're not going to lose your share. You'll be assigned shares, so it's like it's not the end of the world. The worst case scenario would be if you got assigned many shares, if you sold multiple contracts, and then Marathon Digital continued to tank. But one of the reasons why I don't think that will happen, let's take a look at the price of Bitcoin. All right, here's Bitcoin. One of the reasons why I think Marathon won't tank is because Bitcoin right now is in this bullish trend, which just started a few days ago. Granted, we've been going down a little bit here. Prices below 23,000 for the last couple days. But this is the Ichimoku cloud. I've been using it a lot lately. It's very helpful for determining the trend. And right now, if the price is above this cloud and the cloud is green, that is bullish. If this is the conversion line, this is the baseline. If the conversion line is over the baseline, that is also bullish. The one factor that is not bullish is the lagging span right here is actually technically even, or it's about at the same level as price. You want to see that lagging span above price. If it is, that would mean it's all full cylinders are go. All 5 different signals are bullish, but right now 4 out of 5 of the signals are bullish. And you know, down below we have the MACD oscillator. This thing has been sort of on its way down, and I think in the next week or two you might see this start to round out, and we might get a little bit boost to the upside. So as long as Bitcoin isn't dropping like a stone, I don't think Marathon Digital will fall either too much. But if we look at the chart for Marathon, it is it's the opposite of Bitcoin right now. The cloud is providing resistance, so we're hitting this wall above us. So basically, this is just a play on volatility. We're getting juicy volatility with 160% implied volatility, and you can sell a put for today. It was going for 5 cents a nickel, and that's 1% of the cash you have to put up in 4 days, which is over a 90% annualized return. So not a bad deal. And in order for you to lose money, it would take almost a 2 standard deviation move for that to happen. So there you have it.